Here, we'll learn about a concept of deep philosophical importance to Jens Jensen: council rings. What are council rings? And why did they hold an almost religious significance for the Danish designer? A council ring is a fairly simple construction: a circular stone bench with a fire pit in the center. It was closely related to the kivas of the Pueblo Indians in the American Southwest. Council rings were a common feature, almost a trademark, in Jensen's architecture. His earliest sets of plans for the Ford estate clearly showed a council ring to be built on this spot. This was to be Jensen's boldest effort to infuse his own design philosophy into the Ford estate. For Jensen, the council ring was a complex place.
In this friendly circle, around the fire, man becomes himself. Here there is no social caste. All are on the same level, looking each other in the face. A ring speaks of strength and friendship, and is one of the great symbols of mankind. Jens Jensen.
While Edsel had a council ring constructed at his previous residence on Jefferson Avenue, he didn't feel it would be used as much at Gawkler Point. Edsel requested that the council rings be removed from the plans.
Part of his goal was to create a culture of being outdoors, of places that people could celebrate the landscape, the change in seasons. And he felt that these council rings were particularly symbolic of a democratic society, that these were places where people would gather. And so it was at these places, these council rings, where he thought people would stop and talk to each other and really hold discussions. And he thought that kind of dialogue was really important to us as a people.